Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, or maybe you can't tell by the title, I did a little vlog with my friends. It's like barely even a vlog. I don't think I can even call it a vlog, but I'm calling it a vlog because what else can I call it? I had some dinner with my friends. We made dinner and that was pretty much it. And it was like 5 minutes worth of footage and that's all I got for you guys, but I thought some clips were cute and funny. So yeah, that's your vlog. I thought I'd give you guys a little intro and I'll probably have some commentary throughout the video. So yeah, enjoy watching. Bye! This is footage of us cooking chicken and pasta, and sorry to you vegans out there, there's chicken in this and there's pasta sauce, that's what it's called. Anyways, yeah, sorry to you vegans, I'm really sorry. I wish I was you. I'm not making fun of vegans, I love vegans. Go vegans. Probably be vegan once, eventually. I'll be vegan eventually. Okay, just watch the clip. Bye. Say hi. Hi. Oh. Okay. Oh my god. Get that. Get that.
Yes. This stone is flawless. F1. I keep shooters up top in the F1.
You should make caption me. Franco. I'm bad with caption.
Yo, what's that? I'm munching out or whatever.
What should my caption be? Maybe left my heart to Toronto. Yes. Left my heart in Canada.
Make a think up. Greatness is what we want to bring up.
Should we take this off? It's burning, no?
Let's leave it here though. We need all the sauce. Yeah.
Surfboard, raining on that wood. Raining on that wood.
The first one came out so much better. Franco woke up. Yes, Franco. Wow, it looks actually good.
Yes, it looks really good.
Yeah, it looks really creamy. I want chicken. Where the chicken is?
I'm going to have all my chicken if I get chicken.
Pass it over.
Me too.
It's not for you, Flip Coco.
No play, I'm making the floor, bitch.
No.